Hey guys, I'm Jordan with Peach State Installations. I just wanted to kind of go over the products that we offer and give you a little information on them. Number one, the gutters that we use are seamless aluminum. We do not use the 5-inch gutters anymore. We don't feel like that's the proper one anymore, just because this has about 40% more capacity, just to collect more water. Obviously, we don't want any debris or leaves in there. But we do offer services such as the clean, seal, and reinforce, or the CSR is what we like to call it. What that is we will come in and we'll clean out the gutter if it's chock full of leaves, debris, sweet gum balls, all that stuff, you name it. Found tennis balls, baseballs, and Nerf balls all in there too. We'll clean it out. We'll come through with our 50-year silicone, which is we'll seal up the end caps and the downspouts as well, because a lot of the times these seams will leak. And then if you have leaky seams, it can affect the fascia, it can affect the soffit, siding, trim, eventually making it down to the bottom, which is where your foundation is. If you have a crawl space, water can intrude in there and it'll just be a huge mess. So we'll seal all those areas. We'll repitch your gutter. If it is misaligned off of the fascia, we can repitch it to the correct degree. And we'll also reinforce it with hidden hangers. Now, these hidden hangers, as you can see, sit at the top or the crown of the gutter. This will sit at the top of your fascia as well. Not only will it secure the gutter as best as any fastening system can, what we do is we install it with 18 inches apart. Now, the regular systems, even the other hidden fasteners, do come down, about a quarter to a third of the way down. The spike system comes down about halfway down. I know you guys seen the spikes that are constantly backing out. You have to bang them back in with a hammer, which will damage the gutter and cause more problems with that. But as you can see, this guy sits at the crown. After we complete that, we'll actually, if you guys do decide to, which I should say, the CSR is included with every gutter guard system that we install. If you guys did decide to go with the gutter guard system, we would install this guy or this guy. Now, we go by the linear foot on this, and this is a 275 Micromesh stainless steel gutter guard or gutter protection system, meaning that no mildew, no organic growth, no mold, no algae, blah, 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 can actually stick to this. This is the same stuff that they put inside of heart transplant patients whenever they do a heart transplant or an aortic valve replacement or any type of micromesh that is needed inside there, because nothing can actually stick to this. So if they put this in the human body, it going on the gutters is probably a good product to put on your home. This is the cheaper one. This is the stainless steel reinforced one. This guy right here, this guy can take a huge limb to it, and I guarantee that your gutter or your fascia will fall off way before this guy falls off or becomes damaged. Now what this does is, here's the front receiver, here's the rear receiver. What we do is we gently take up the front portion of your shingle, and we set this under it, and we will find the decking, and we'll find the slope to it to where it properly facilitates the water flow into the gutter. Now whenever we get these homes that are around a lot of big trees and all that, what happens is debris will collect on top, but the water flow will still facilitate properly into the gutter and through the downspout. And remember, you have the end caps and the downspouts that are sealed properly. So only place for that water to go is actually through the downspout and out. Terminates around, and we offer downspout extensions as well to keep it flowing away from your home and your foundation. But one of the cool parts about what we do whenever we install this, and nobody else on the market does this, and I'm sure as soon as this video gets released, somebody's going to see this and they're going to be like, oh, we should start doing that, is we actually offer included with the price, we offer a brush and an extension pole that goes with it, to where, you know, if you ever don't like looking at the debris that's collecting on the gutters, although the water is sitting on top of this, I'm sorry, although the debris is sitting on top of this, if you don't like looking at that debris, you can actually just brush it off. Again, the water will flow properly into there, but you will never have a clog in your gutter again. A lot of these companies will say that, oh, never clean your gutters again, you know, no clog guarantees, blah, 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 blah. And then they'll offer a warranty on it, which it's really hard for them to actually honor the warranty, because they'll look for any and every little thing to try to not honor that warranty. With us, you will get that warranty. You know, there's a 40-year manufacturer's warranty and a 10-year workmanship warranty.